Do you struggle with focus while studying? You are definitely not alone. Between constant notifications, endless tabs, and mental fatigue, it's easy to lose concentration. Now, let me give you a relatable analogy. Have you ever tried sprinting through an entire marathon? Probably not. It's exhausting and unsustainable, right? But that's exactly what many of us do when we try to study for hours without stopping. Just like athletes train using intervals, short bursts of effort followed by recovery, your brain performs best when you study in focused sessions with regular breaks. That's the idea behind the Pomodoro Technique. In this video, I'll walk you through how it works and show you my favorite free tools to help you study smarter, not harder. Okay? Now, what is the Pomodoro? The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It's incredibly simple, and that's why it works so well. Here's how it goes. So you work for 25 minutes, full focus, no distractions, okay? Then you take a 5-minute break to recharge. All right. Now, after the 4 25-minute work sessions, you take a longer break, usually about 15 to 30 minutes. Now, these intervals are called pomodoros. It's like sprinkling through your work in short focus bursts instead of trying to run a marathon of endless study. You can tweak the time if you want. Some people do like 50 minutes on, 10 minutes off, but 25 on 5 is the classic version that works for most students. So, why does it work so well? There's actual psychology behind this, all right? First, it helps reduce burnout by reminding you to take regular breaks. No more sitting at your desk for 3 hours straight wondering why nothing is sticking. Okay. Second, it also keeps your brain fresh and focused. You find it much easier to get started on tasks when you know it's only like 25 minutes. That time limit creates a sense of urgency and you are less likely to procrastinate. And third, it builds discipline and momentum. Over time, completing Pomodoros gives you a sense of achievement. You begin to trust yourself to stay consistent, even on low motivation days. In fact, many students find they get more done in less time and they actually enjoy studying more. Now, let's talk tools. Because manually setting a timer every 25 minutes can be annoying, luckily there are some amazing free apps and websites to help automate the process and track your progress. Web app applications like pomofocus.io is clean, easy to use, and works directly in your browser. No downloads needed. You can even customize work and break lengths. Okay. You also have mobile apps like Forest. It's super popular and it gamifies your focus by growing a tree while you study. If you leave the app, your tree dies. Talk about motivation. We also have mobile app like Focus to Do, which is another great mobile app. It combines Pomodoro with a built-in to-do list, so you can check off tasks as you go. And then last we have desktop extensions. So let's say you study on Chrome. I recommend the Marinara Chrome extension. Okay. It sits in your toolbar and then it gives you a clear Pomodoro countdown. Plus, it tracks your completed Pomodoros over time. There's no need to overthink which app to use. Just pick one that fits your style and then stick with it. Okay. Now, here are some extra tips to help you get the most out of the Pomodoro technique. Pair it with a to-do list. Before starting, list your tasks for the day. Decide which task will take one Pomodoro, which might take two, and plan accordingly. Don't check your phone during sessions. This sounds obvious, but it's tempting. Consider using airplane mode, do not disturb, or placing your phone in another room. Okay? Now, track your Pomodoros. Use a simple journal or something like an app to record how many Pomodoros you can complete each day. It helps you stay consistent and shows how much progress you are making. right? You could even gamify it, reward yourself with something like a snack, a break, or some YouTube or TikTok videos after completing, say, 6 pomodoro in a day. So that's how the Pomodoro technique can help you study smarter, no harder. Try it today and see how much more focused and efficient you can be. Have you tried it before? What's your favorite timer app? Let me know in the comment section, and I would love to hear your experience. If this helped you, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, productivity hacks, and student friendly. Happy study.